Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this session, we're going to see how we can create a Google Chrome extension using Visual Studio 2022 with just 5 steps. This session is going to be interesting, so please stay tuned up to the last. Guys, before starting the session, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon for future notification. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. So I'm going to create a browser extension or a Google Chrome extension. I know I did in 2013-14 using the Visual Studio 2012, but after that I didn't develop the browser extension. And recently, 2 3 days, I did some R&D and I find out a more easy way to create or develop Google Chrome extension. How? Let's see. Guys, for this kind of video, it takes lots of time and effort to do R&D, analyze, create the videos to publish. If you really like this session, give me a like. It will boost my encouragement. So for today's session, I'm going this particular image, which is a PNG image, to be my icon of the extension. Okay, so let's copy this image to the particular folder. So I am storing inside my D drive practice extension. Let's create a folder here. So I'm creating a folder YouTube demo extension. Inside this, I'm creating a folder with name called image. And here I'm going to paste this particular image, right? So so I have created a folder YouTube demo extension. Inside this one more folder and I pasted my PNG image or which will be going to my icon of my extension. Next, I am going to open this folder inside my using my Visual Studio. So right click on this folder, open Visual Studio. So first step is completed by creating the folder structure. Second step is opening the Visual Studio. Now, third step, we are going to add three files. Three files, one is one manifest file, one JavaScript file, one manifest.json file, one JavaScript file, and one HTML file. So, go to Solution Explorer. Here, my image is there. We can write, we can create one more file, which is manifest. Sorry, the spelling will be different. Manifest.json. And inside this, I'm going to keep this much of code, which is manifest version. What is the name? So I am keeping my name with YouTube. Next, what is the description? Again, for demo purpose, YouTube session. And my default icon will be images. This one is my folder name. And let's see, my folder name is image. Okay, my folder name image. And my default pop-up will popup.html. So we are going to add the HTML file also. Next thing, I'm going to add one more JS file or JavaScript extension file in the folder R, new file. I'm giving the name as popup.js. Okay. Inside this, I'm keeping this much of code, which is documented R event listener, and it will search in a new window in Google. It will search my name. Okay. Let's see how it is doing. Okay. So we did our manifest.json file, configure our data, and we have popup.js file. Now we have to create a popup.html, which we have declared in our manifest.json. Now add a HTML file. So right click, I'm adding HTML file, which will popup.html, right? So I'm going to write down some CSS. What is my body? What is there's a button? Okay. And hi, I am Viswaranjan. Next thing it will there is a button find me on Google. So if we run this particular application now, and you can see in this particular JavaScript JS popup.js has been added. So if we run the application, if we go to the containing folder and if we just double click on this find me on Google, if we click, it is going to Google, right? So now this HTML is going to create my extension. Okay, everything is done. Save the application, nothing to do with now. Go to the folder where we created the folders. We can mydex, practice, extension, and this is now upon Visual Studio, sorry, Google Chrome. So this is the old extension I created. I removed it now. Next thing is you can go to this one setting. Sorry, not setting. You can go to here more tool. Here there you can find a extension. Click on this extension. Now load unpacked. Here we can, if we click, it will upon this particular uh, folder upon. You can select that particular folder. YouTube demo extension. Click on select folder. It is added. Now close the browser. Again open the browser. So you can see here Viswaranjan YouTube. If I click on this, find me on Google. If I click on this, it is opening a complete new window and it is displaying my record on Google. So in this way, we can create a Google Chrome extension and we can host in our Google Chrome. Guys, you can create small Microsofts using Chrome extension. If you are into Microsoft and SaaS businesses, please let me know your thought and suggestion. And if you like this video, give me a like. Thank you very much. See you on the next session.